Why online video is the future of content marketing. Would you be reading this post or viewing it 5 years from now? It's a fascinating subject to consider as online video's meteoric rise continues. The material you generate and distribute has the power to secure your success. Which is why each professional content marketer's ultimate goal is to publish compelling and original content. To stay on top of the game, it's crucial to keep up with current trends and statistics. Consider this: 90% of customers say video content makes it easier to make a purchasing choice. Which is one of the main reasons why marketers believe video marketing will be the future of content marketing. People have been engaging with more digital content than ever before since the coronavirus pandemic. Video material, when done correctly, may help you stand out from the crowd. Let's have a look at why we believe that. Video is more entertaining and shareable. One of your key objectives is to raise brand awareness. Videos are ideal for this. According to statistics, individuals share videos 12 times more than they do text and images combined. Personalized films are taking this technique to a whole new level for brands. This form of graphic content is both entertaining for your users and beneficial to your business. Talking heads and how-to videos are fantastic because they nearly feel like an in-person interaction, which is especially important in our post-COVID age. Learn more at https://my-learning-center.teachable.com.